In this video, I'll show you how to create a Netflix account. It's quite easy and it only takes a few minutes. First, you'll go to netflix.com in your browser. Then, right on the first page, here you'll need to type your email address that you want to associate with your Netflix account. So let's say this is your address. You'll need to click on this red button that says Get Started. Now, finishing up your account, Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password. All right. It will ask to create a password to this account. So you need to choose one. All right. I typed a new password here. If you want, you can check this if you don't want to receive any email notification from Netflix with their offers. I'll leave it this way. Then click the continue button. You can save your password if you want. Right now we won't do this. At this step, you'll need to choose which plan you would want. So here are the 3 choices Netflix will give you. Here we have the prices in Canadian dollars. If you live in another country, the prices will be listed in your own currency, but the choices will be the same, basically. So we have the basic one. The video quality is good, which means it's not full HD. If you don't have a full HD TV or screen, I think it's worth considering choosing the cheapest one. Also, only one person will be able to use your Netflix account at a time. You have the standard, which this gives you a full HD experience. And also 2 people can watch a movie or a TV series at the same time on Netflix, on the account you'll create. And finally, we have the premium option, which gives you 4K resolution streaming. This means if you have a 4K TV, this could be really worth it because you're going to use the full potential of your device. Also, it will give you an account where 4 people can watch 4 different movies at the same time. Many people choose this one and then splits the amount with their friends. So if you have, let's say, 4 friends, you can split it up in 4 and everybody will get 4K quality. So this you'll have to choose for yourself. Also look at your budget. This is really important because this amount will get repeated every month. You'll get billed every month. Once you choose it, let's say I choose premium, you're gonna click on the continue button. Now it's time to set up your payment. And there's really 2 options here. The first one is if you have a credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, you're gonna click this first option. And you'll have to fill up all the information right here. You can also change the plan if you notice that it doesn't fit your bill anymore. You can also pay using gift code, like a gift card, or if you receive the digital gift code. So you click on this and you're going to type it right here. And again, you can change your plan if you decided so. Click the redeem gift code when you're done. So this is it. Once you complete every steps, you'll be able to log into your Netflix account and every month you'll get billed and have access to all the movies. Thanks for watching.